wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are trying out a new product today, so you guys want to know more? So this is the new Supergoop Protec Tint Daily SPF Tint SPF 50 Sunscreen Skin Tint. Retails for $44 for 1.18 ounces. This comes in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 shades, and most of them are sold out. Okay. This is in the shade 46N, which is the third to deepest shade this comes in, which is also sold out. This says this is an effortless, lightweight skin tint that meets powerful SPF 50 with light, buildable coverage and a natural finish for immediately smooth and even looking skin. Coverage is light, finish is natural, formulation liquid, SPF is 50. This blendable tinted liquid leaves skin looking immediately smooth and even while delivering powerful SPF 50 protection. Available in an array of flexible shades, the cushiony formula is resistant to creasing and settling. So I feel like the vibe today should be very chill. You know, I'm gonna put this on, I'm gonna do like a little concealer, but we're not gonna do too much because I feel like this isn't, remember I was saying with that Anastasia product that you gotta know the product? I feel like this isn't very, you know, full beat Instagram makeup type face. I feel like it's, you know, do a little something, which is why I did a little something with the brows, but I didn't like sculpt them, stuff like that. It's giving kind of like, you know, you throw this on and go, especially because it has the SPF 50 in it. That's what at least we're going for. I'm not sure how I'm gonna end up looking, but I also wanna like time this to see how long it's going to take for this makeup look. Now keep in mind, I am filming this, so you gotta include a couple minutes in there for that. But let me stop talking and let's go. In my eye. Okay, so it is 1:33, so let's see how long it's. We're gonna start out with primer first. Good old Danessa. Something in my eye. And then someone asked me what brush is this. This is from e.l.f. and it just says powder brush, but of course I use it for primer. And then the Milk Cloud primer. Someone said this is going to finish very quickly. They were probably right. Especially if you use it often. Ooh! Child. So this is what the product actually looks like. Okay, and let's just, oh, that might have been a little too much. Okay. I don't know about that shade. And then we'll just blend that out. Do I smell SPF? A little bit. I feel like when I'm spreading it around, I don't know if the air makes me smell that, but like it doesn't linger on the face. This is the tint on my face. You see why I said we're keeping it simple today? This is an SPF tint, okay? It's SPF, it's got a little tint in it. You're thinking full face, that's not what this is for. That's not what you should pick this up for. But I'm gonna add a little concealer, do a little something, lashes. See how this goes. It is what was 153 when I was about to show the phone, but now it's 154. I've done everything but put lashes on, so that's how it looks on the skin
with concealer, I'm going to put my lashes on, do my hair, and then tell you my thoughts on this. Okay, y'all, so this is it with lashes on, all of that. Like I said, very simple. All of this took about 20 minutes. Keep in mind that I was filming, so that added some time to this. Brows, literally just filled in, not even like shaped, anything like that. Thoughts on this. You know how I say tinted moisturizer, and its moisturizer is supposed to put a little pigment in it. This is tinted SPF. There's SPF, little pigment in it, and I feel like that is how this is. That is how this should be worn. Just wear this. Like once you finish your skincare routine, just put this on and go about your day, and you know you'll be protected with the sun, stuff like that. Do I think like put makeup on top of this and do a face like that? You can, obviously you can. You know, I'm looking at my face, I'm like, okay, cute, but no. Like at that point, if you want, you know, medium coverage or full coverage of a face, at that point just buy foundation. You know, just use a heavier skin tint, stuff like that. Like it just doesn't make that much sense to me, other than the fact that you want the SPF 50, but other than that you could just use, you know, SPF 50 on your face and then do your face routine. This I feel like was made for a very specific reason. This is for those no makeup girls, and I mean like real no makeup, because y'all know no makeup be given like 8 layers of makeup. It's just supposed to look like you woke up like this, but no, this is real no makeup. This is, again, just do your skincare routine, put this on. She's cute, you know, it says it's supposed to smooth, stuff like that. Skin looks nice, but I just feel like that is what this should be worn for. Am I going to run for this again? If you're traveling, you know, sunny locations, stuff like that. And also, you know, when you're on vacation, like, yeah, you think about it, like you want to do a full face for dinners, stuff like that. But like the beach, you might want to do your face, but actually doing it on vacation makes you want to just get back in the bed and spend the rest of the day in the hotel. So this could be very good for that. It's very travel friendly with the packaging, all of that. So like that is what this is for. Again, those very quick, just something on your face. If there's redness on your face, anything like that, just, you know, quickly cover that up, go about your business. You could build, because I did do 2 layers of this, but like I just it's not, to me it's literally like SPF. It's SPF. It's not even like foundation, it's SPF with a little something in it. So I'm just kind of, I don't know, I feel like I'm just a little, I don't know how I feel about it. It's just there. So that is it for this video. Those are my thoughts on this product. I feel like, and I'm being real specific with y'all, I feel like you are going to like this. You are going to be happy with your purchase if you are intending to just put this on and go. Like set it, you know, with setting spray powder, because you know it does still have tint in it, transfer, stuff like that. And go about your day. If that's your normal routine, you know, you do your skincare, stuff like that, maybe you put on a little mascara and not mascara, concealer, and go, I feel like you'll like this. If you are the, you know, face gotta be done, full face beat, all of that type stuff, you will literally feel like you could have just bought foundation and called it a day. I know it's supposed to be like a 2-for-1 type thing, but yeah. So that is it for this video. I hope seeing you test it out has helped you thinking of checking it out for yourself. Another reason why I decided today would be a good day for this, because I am going out, but we're just going to play bingo. So I was like, I'm not gonna do the most to go play bingo, but you know, I still want to do a little something. So I had a little something on my face. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, you need a little something done to your face. That's what this would be good for. But like on days when I'm doing, you know, my face because I'm going to dinner, because I'm doing this, because I'm doing that, would this be the product that I pull out to do that? No. But those are my thoughts on this product. I hope hearing them helped any of you thinking checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.